You need to understand how business deals are put together, and every deal is different. You have to put these together with the right strategy to win a successful bid. The things we want to do is stress a methodology that you use in estimating, that you always need to be consistent. Because if you think things through logically in a same successive pattern, you will see that you'll have a less chance of errors and a higher degree of success.
When it came to estimating, keep good job history that I learned, and to go back and make sure you document every job you're on, so when you have the next job, if it's similar, you can build off it and be prepared to be able to estimate it properly.
So rather than having to hear from you argue that I was delayed because the shop drawings and the detailing of the steel and the revisions that were occurring through the shop drawing process and the delay in getting the responses to the RFIs in turn impacted the sequence of my construction and delayed my performance, the whole concept of that design assist within certain types of classifications of work is typically done under the guise of facilitating construction, but really it's intended to shift risk.
I've gotten a lot out of this course, and I'd recommend it to anyone, even if you're not an in-the-field worker, even if you're not a project manager, a construction project manager all the way. A lot of the information in coursework is relevant, so I think it was great.
I'm excited about doing it because the curriculum that has been set up by the CEA is phenomenal. More importantly, we're going to have a lot of group discussions and get a chance to talk about the traits of a leader. What makes a good leader, what makes a leader not so good, and then what do they want to do, what skills would they need, what traits they'd like to have.
It's very important to understand leadership is very important in our industry, and it's so vital for you to be able to communicate, listen, and to be able to give positive direction that you commit yourself to. And that's just part of leadership skills. And we were going to explore a lot of different ideas over the course of the day, and to better equip you to understand and develop better leadership skills.
I enjoyed taking this class because I learned so much more about myself that I didn't know before I came into this class. You know, I learned a lot, more than I could have ever expected I would have learned in 2 days.
You could be the best construction manager in the world, and if you don't pay attention to what the words are in your contract, you will still be destroyed. It's fundamentally the first step of getting it right so that you can be profitable and go on. And this course tries to emphasize how important that is.
It's been a very good experience, learned a lot from a lot of very good teachers. All the different classes, the different teachers seem to fit very well with what they were teaching.
Our project administration workshop talks about working with a well-thought-out plan to successful projects. Behind all successful construction projects is pre-planning. Pre-planning to understand codes, permits, inspection, understanding why we have shop drawings. It's in this pre-planning that you're able to implement it with a team, and you'll end up with a successful construction project.